Okay, so here's a time cert repair on an engine block. It's real simple. Let me get started here first. Okay, there we go. So you're just basically putting in a little sleeve with threads on it. I put Loctite on it, and need it to go down pretty far, because it's got a recess into the block, and looks like we're having success there. Okay, now you see how far down it is. It needs to go a wee bit further. So I'm just putting the installation tool back in there and seeing if we can get some more depth out of it. Now it is recessed enough, I know that, but I just want it to be a little closer to the bottom. Okay, we still need a little more. Okay, very good. And that is a nicely repaired block, pretty seamless. Took a time cert that was longer and I ground the lip off so that it would recess into the block, and then cleaned it up with a thread file, and that's a 100% proper repair that will never fail again. Don't ever dip these head bolts in oil when you put them in, because you'll hydro lock and you'll strip the threads. Okay guys, bye for now.